and then just pour some of those juices over the top. Look at that, that's beautiful. Now this is what I'm interested in. This right here. At the end of the day, air fryers are air fryers. They, they all do the same thing. But what really got me interested in this air fryer, it's got 2 ovens. And I thought that was interesting. So with this video, I'm gonna go in blind. I haven't opened it, as you can see. I don't know whether it's gonna be good or not, but what really got me interested in this, it's a 2-zone air fryer. So it's got a double oven, which to me, that sounds really interesting, really amazing. And I may be behind the times, but I've never seen an air fryer with 2 ovens like this. So, and like I said, air fryers and air fryer, they're all good, majority of them. But, air fryer's an air fryer. But I want to see what this is like. And I'll tell you if it's bad or good. And if it's good, it'll be a good Christmas present. The one thing that I'm actually surprised about is how massive it is, how tall it is. And it's quite heavy. So yeah, looks great, but I'm certainly interested to see what this can do. But first impressions, tall. One thing I always love to do when I get something new is take the wrapper off. Hear that? I mean, straight away it looks and feels well built, but so you've got your top of the air fryer. So that's your air fryer. And in here, oh neat, you've got your oven. I like that. But it feels well built, it looks well built, it looks slick. Yeah, pretty impressed with it so far. But yeah, you've got to find a little bit of room for your kitchen for this, but looks good. When I get something new, I always like to see the electronic display. I don't know what it is, but let's plug it in and let's see. Well, straight off the bat, I can see a Wi-Fi signal, so I guess this comes with an app. I haven't even checked it. Does it come with an app? Yes. M Smart Home compatible. Monitor cooking progress and get alerts when your meal is ready. So that's pretty neat. I've never had an air fryer with an app, but I know they do apps, but yeah. Oh yeah, beautiful. Obviously, I've got to learn how to use this thing, but let's dive in and I'll tell you a bit more about it. It seems pretty easy to use and I hadn't even read any instructions. So you've got your bake. Let's say the upper's the air fryer, so I want to bake. Obviously, set a time, nice temp, easy, turn that off. And then you got lower, which is the oven. So I want to, let's say roast, time, temp, easy, turn it off. Press it on. Pretty easy. And I would imagine that's a light for the oven. Yep, I'm interested in this app, so I'm gonna try and download it and use it. This should be fun. Look, if I can do this, you can do this. So there's a barcode of the, would be good if I didn't cover the camera up, Steve. There's a barcode on the box. So I've just got to point and go to the, come on, go to the site. I'll come back when I've signed in all this stuff. Yeah, setting up that app was simple, really simple. I thought it was going to be a bit of a pain, but now downloaded it, enter my password, Wi-Fi, all that, boom, straight in. Look. Light. I can do that all day. So obviously I'm going to cook something with this. I'm going to keep it very simple though. And I've got a ribeye. It's quite thin though. It's quite thin, so I've just got to work with that. And I've got some petite potatoes and some tomatoes. I'm going to make a nice balsamic basil roasty thing going on. I want to keep it simple because I've never used this. Have I cooked a steak in the air fryer? I don't think I have. I'll think about it. So see what happens with that. But I'm looking forward to actually using it. And I'm going to use the app, I think. I'll try and use the app. This should be good. Right, so first I just want to cut my tomatoes in half and then just slice the tomatoes in half. A light touch of salt and pepper, olive oil, and then just give everything a good mix. So for the potatoes and tomatoes, I'm gonna use the top basket. So let's get these in. It's plenty big. Get that in. I'm gonna use the app for this. Why? Why not? Because I've never used an app for an air fryer and I think it's neat. So I'm gonna see what it can do as well. So see if it's easy. So let's press start. Hang on. Air fry. Top, upper basket, yes. Let's go 400, 45 minutes. That should be pretty good. Okay. Start, tap start below and then touch. Okay, boom. And then I press start. Nice. Wow. It's just about done nearly. And there's 29 minutes left. That's my fault. I didn't realize how powerful this thing is. I put it on for 45 minutes. What am I thinking? It's powerful. Don't blame the tools. Blame yourself. Never blame your tools. So I'm going to start with this steak. I'm going to get this steak ready and put it in the oven. Man, I can't believe how powerful that is. That's nearly done. So I'm just going to season up my steak. It's at room temperature. And I'm going to put it on the grill tray it came with. So for the steak, lower oven. I'm going to do air fry. Air fry, 400. I'm going to go 6 minutes. We'll see. You know what? That's looking not too shabby at all. Look at that. You see that? That looks pretty good. Add my potatoes and tomatoes to a bowl. Turned out well, looking good. If I put them in there for 40 minutes, they would have been cremated. And then I'm just gonna let this steak rest and then just pour some of those juices over the top. Look at that, that's beautiful. And then for my potatoes and tomatoes, some olive oil, a little touch of balsamic vinegar. Give all that a mix. And just to finish on top, some basil. Look at that, that's not too shabby. That's not bad at all. I was a little worried because I thought I was gonna overcook it, but that's not bad. I'm happy with that. Potatoes, tomatoes, steak, balsamic, what more do you want? Come on. What can I say? It cooked it absolutely beautiful. It's spot on. I'm so impressed. I love it. I really do. Because when I cook, like I said, I've never cooked steak in an air fryer, but I was so nervous because I haven't got any control. You just pop it in and hope for the best. It's your timings. And I got my timing wrong for the spuds and the tomatoes. It's powerful, really powerful. But you know, I'm more of a pot and stove guy, so I've got more control and I just feel anxious, a bit nervous. But to my surprise, it did well, really, really well. Fantastic. So yeah, listen, it's a good air fryer. It's fantastic. Great for a Christmas present this time of year. Like I said, it's big, it's tall. So, you know, air fryer, oven, but it can fit a lot of food in it. You can fit a lot of food for the family. So yeah, I'm impressed. So links below, if you want one of these, definitely take a look because I think it'll serve you well and some good stuff. Anyway, get one. Thanks, guys.